Hello student, a very good morning to all. In the previous video, we had to discuss about some basic information about the control property and also we had to discuss about some common events of Visual Basic controls. So now in this video, we had to discuss about how can we use and how can we control all these toolbox. So first we will use this picture box and how can we control this picture box. So first we will select this tool and drag the mouse button on the form window, so this picture box area will be generated. Then after we will insert some picture. So there have a two method for inserting a picture. Number one is this property panel, and otherwise you can use the command window. So first we will insert the picture with using this property window. So simply click this icon and then after we will select the picture. So this is the picture, then after click open, so picture will be inserted. So this one is the property window, and then after we will click this icon, so run this command, so picture will be run, and also we will display the output of this program. So this is the one method for inserting a picture. Then after we will discuss about how can we insert a picture with using a command window. So first we will again go to the form, and then after first remove this picture, cut, and then after again insert the picture box. So drag the mouse, so then after we will double click on this icon, and then after here we will type the code. And how can we reach the desktop? So first we will open the command cmd. So here this is the directory C, and this is the user, and this is the name of username. Then after we will go to the desktop. So how can we reach the desktop? So simple type cd and then after press the tab. So here the many folder means all folder will be display. So here desktop, then after press enter. Then after we will search the photo. So this is the address of the desktop. So we will first type this address on this program. Picture equal to picture load, yeah, load picture. Then after here we will type the address. So first one is we will write the directory name, so C, then after username, so here this is the users, then after desktop, and then after we will write the picture name. So this is the picture name is spring flowers.jpg. so we will write this name on this code. So here we will write first spring flowers dot jpg, and then after we will run this command. So click this picture box, so the picture will be inserted. So this is the method for inserting a picture by using a command box. Then after we will use the next toolbox. So the next toolbar is image. So this is the image box. So first we will select this image, and then after simple drag the mouse on the form window. So here first we will insert the picture by using the property window, and also what is the difference between the picture box and the image box. So in the picture box there have no this one option, means stretch property is not be available in this picture box, but in this toolbox there have a stretch property. So we will activate this property true, and then after insert the picture and click open. So in this, with the help of this picture box, the image box, the whole picture will be displayed. Then after run this command, so the picture will be inserted in the given area. So this is the method for inserting a picture by using a property window. Then after we will also use this same code, we will apply the code window. So we will again go to the code. So this is the code, and then after we will run this command, so the picture will be inserted. Yeah, or also we will display this picture. Understand? Now we will know about how can we use the list box and the combo box. So first we will insert the list box and the combo box into the form. So first we will go to the form. So this is the form. First we will remove this image, and then after this is the list box. So first we will select this list box and drag the mouse on the form window. Then after we will double click on the form area. So this is the form load window will be open. Then after here we will write the code. List 1 dot add item. Then after here we will write the list name. So suppose first list name is computer. Then hit enter. Then we will generate the next list. So again list 1 dot add item, and the next list name Hindi, list 1 dot add item, and then after here we will write the English. Then we will press this run command. So the all item will be display in this list box area. Then after we will use the combo box. And what is the difference between the combo box and the list box? So now we will insert a combo box in this form. So first we will minimize this window and go to the form window. So this is the form window, and select this combo box icon. So select this icon and drag the mouse on this form window, and then after again double click on this form. Then after here we will write the code of combo box. So combo 1 dot add item, computer, combo 1 dot add item, math, combo 1 dot add item, and the last one is science. And then after we will run this command. So click this window, the combo box. So here the all item will be listed in the drop down here. So when we will click this drop down icon, so all items will be displayed. And but in the list box, there have already all item will be listed on this area. So this is a major difference between the combo box and the list box. So thanks for watching this video.